Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a grocery haul from Trader Joe's. I haven't been there in a while and I picked up some stuff today that I thought would be fun to show you guys. So let's get started over here. Got some uncured dry rubbed bacon. I haven't tried this one before, but bacon sounded really good. Some of the frozen hash browns, I really like these. Organic silver dollar pancakes for my daughter. Picked up 2 of these reduced guilt mac and cheeses for a quick lunch. Got these garlic potatoes with Parmesan sauce. I haven't got these in a while, but these are really good. And our favorite mandarin orange chicken, organic milk for my daughter, 3 packages of all natural chicken for chicken meals, a dozen organic eggs. Picked up one of these uncured pepperoni pizzas for a quick dinner. Got some Alfredo sauce, cocoa swirl cookie butter. We were all out and I really like this on waffles on the weekend. Gonna try this garlic cooking and simmer sauce. Emma picked out this cereal, the peanut butter panda puffs. Got some extra virgin olive oil because I was all out, and some cooking spray. I got the organic extra virgin olive oil spray. I haven't tried that one yet either. I picked up 2 of these fruit bars, 1 apple strawberry, 1 apple banana. I can see if Emma likes those. Cereal bars, some fiberful peanut butter and rolled oats granola bars. I picked up 2 of these dried fruits. Gonna try banana slices unsweetened and strawberries unsweetened. Emma really likes strawberries, but she hasn't tried the bananas. Those are really good for her lunches. Then got some apple juice boxes for her lunches, some penne pasta, a bag of lemons for lemon water, some organic gala apples. I picked up this Greenfin California rosé wine. It says it's made with organic grapes and it sounded super yummy. Some organic raspberries and strawberries, baby cut carrots, and sugar snap peas. So that's all I got at Trader Joe's. We didn't pick up that much because we are moving on the 22nd, so I only got about enough for a week and a half or so because I didn't want to have to move a bunch of food. But this is what we got. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.